Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Working President ka United Democratic Party uba polling do hne kasngi haba kren bekinong tho khubor halor ka jingbam yo thau sarkar jong ki Seng riulum ha ka jilla ulaong ba ka jilla Meghalaya na du ki por pa minchwa ki don ka sarkar senrop lang lane ka coalition government lat no tang ka sarkar ka baning kong uniu nong yala mula ong ru ba ka San Hima sima ha Meghalaya ka pher ladai anu jor ba ka jilla Mizoram namar ha Meghalaya ki Paidbah ki jit yo Briew Kalam dapat ya kaseng ka ba uyeng. Loong ru balada pai ha kaseng UDP kala kiyo shibon lada ya nujor bat kisnem ki baladap. Udan ka jingkerman ba kaseng kanang la ban kiyo shu ha kini kisnem ki banwan. Shu uni unong yalam ka UDP loong ba kaseng ka bantri shitam ban Peit ya ki wei kiseng san pertai kum ka jingma. Kanang makin la bantri shitam shu ban yo ya ka jingjob.
Well, if you look at the figures, they have 4 MLAs. And we have 12. So where is the comparison? But the fact that there are more and more parties being formed, yes, to that extent, it does dilute the appeal of regional parties and our ability to consolidate.
Do you feel threatened because of the BPP in the coming days?
Well, in politics, we always have to put our best foot forward. So we have to look at every political party as a potential threat and therefore should do our best. Yes, we should have a common minimum program. But if you look at the budget speech of the Chief Minister, or the address of the governor in the August House, all the major points are part and parcel of the UDP's manifesto.
But will you ask the Chief Minister at least, because he is the chairperson of this coalition, so will you ask him for having a common minimum program for that?
Yeah, that's a good suggestion. I think, yeah, it is doable. And ideally speaking, yes, we should have a CM3.